I want to go ahead and open up my Allure box. This literally came in the mail today, so hopefully I can get this out to you guys in a timely fashion, okay? I've been trying to catch up. This is for November. Super excited. I definitely feel like I got my money's worth just looking at all the stuff that's in here. The first thing that I'm pulling out, it's a little dusty, okay, just a little bit dusty, and this is the Biotin and Collagen Hair Mask. Ooh, strengthening and thickening formula. Now, I might need this, okay? I've told you guys my hair has been thinning. This might be exactly what I need. Free of sulfates, parabens, and gluten. And this is what it looks like. Very cool. I like this container. This is probably like a deluxe mini. Looks like a deluxe mini. Let's see, is it safety sealed? Yes, we have a safety seal. It smells like conditioner. It looks like conditioner. I will try this out and see if it does something for me. Now, I'm not expecting major results because things like this you have to use consistently to truly see a difference. Okay, we started off with a bang. Yeah, bang. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Kat Berkey. For the longest, I kept saying Kate Berkey, but it ain't no E there. It's definitely Kat. And this is the vitamin C, or vitamin C if you're across the pond, intensive face cream. And this is what the box is looking like. I believe this is full size. These full size products be itty bitty, y'all. Very nice packaging. Very good glass. Cute. Very cutesy. Ooh, she thick. Smells like skincare. So this is what she's looking like. I'm using a vitamin C product right now. I probably won't need to dip into this until after that. I'm trying to clear up all of these dark spots. I have like a lot of dark spots in this area because I broke all the way out. When I tell you, I ate some chocolate and then just pimples everywhere. Pimple. And y'all already know I'll be popping the mugs. Those little pimple patches do nothing for me, so please don't suggest them. I've tried them. They do nothing. I end up popping the pimple anyway, so I just went ahead and skipped a step and just popped them. And now I have all these dark spots. I want them to go away, and so I'm already using a vitamin C serum. After that, if they're not gone, I will bust out this. Well, I might have another vitamin C product that I got so many skincare products. I'm gonna see what I already have, and then if I don't have anything that has vitamin C, I will dip into this. The next thing I'm pulling out is a little sample, and this is Noteworthy Eau de Parfum. And this is what the little card is looking like. It says it has notes of mandarin, basil, and sandalwood. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. I seen one of the other girlies do it. Just spray it on the card. Why didn't I ever think about that? You know, actually, the reason why is because I want to know how it works with my chemistry. So never mind. I don't want to spray it on the card. I can definitely smell the sandalwood and the basil. Okay, that actually smells really good. It's very fresh. I smell the orange too. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like that. I like it. I just have to see if Justin likes it. You know, I don't wear nothing my man don't like. If it stank to him, it stank to me. The next thing that I'm pulling out is by L'Occitane. I heard people say L'Occitane and L'Occitane. I'm not sure which it is. L'Occitane, possibly? It's a shower oil. A cleansing shower oil. So is this supposed to turn into like a foam? All right, y'all. So this is just like a shower gel. It's gonna foam up. Let me take it out and see how it stank. Okay, we'll see if it stank. I don't know if it stank. I do like that it's in the plastic. That way I know ain't nobody been in my stuff. It's another way to safety seal. Okay, wrap it in some plastic. This is what she looks like once you take the plastic off. I can't quite smell it, so I'm gonna put a little bit, just a little dupe, just a little doopy doop, because I can't smell it from inside here. Ooh, that actually smells really good. I'm not even gonna lie, that smells really good. Very nutty, obviously, because it says, well, is it obvious? Did it say almond? Yeah, almond oil. It smells very nutty and sweet. I think this is cool. I think this is very cool. I'm very excited to try that out. I don't think Justin can use that because he has a thing with the nuts. Actually, I don't think I can use this either. I have to wait because my son, he doesn't do well with nuts and I breastfeed. So if I wash my, tatas with this, it can make him sick. So I'm going to put this off to the side and I will probably bust that out after I quit breastfeeding because that's coming shortly, okay? He ain't going to be on the boobie for much longer. His first birthday is coming up. The next thing is another sample, and this is from the Sephora collection, and it is the Big by Definition mascara. I have so many itty bitty mascaras, so many different mascaras that I need to get through. This is what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys the wand. Okay, the wand is decent. I will dip into this at some point in time. I have so many mascaras I need to get through. I'm getting close to the end of my time using my Big Mood mascara, which is pretty sad because I actually really like that mascara. Let me see. How long can you use mascara after you use it the first time? It says you should replace it every 3 to 6 months. Oh, 3 to 6 months? Okay, bet. I'm gonna use my Big Mood mascara for a little bit longer because it's so good. I really enjoy it. I will eventually get into this, just not right away. The next thing is this Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier Electrolyte Drink Mix. We have it in the flavor White Peach, Lemon Lime, and Green Grape. And this is what it looks like. I'm probably gonna keep this off to the side for when I go back to doing ADF, which will be sometime in January. After mid-January, I'm going to start ADF again. This will come in handy because when you're doing ADF, you want to stay hydrated. You do not want to dehydrate yourself. So stuff like this is perfect because it's under the calories, okay? The calories that take you out of ketosis, this is under that. I'm going to use this then, not anytime soon. The next thing in here is by Half Magic, and this is a sparkle stick eye crayon in the color Punk Pony. And this is what the packaging is looking like. Very cute. Okay, it's cute. It's giving unicorn. Okay, we love a good unicorn moment. This is what the packaging is looking like. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Now, I don't know how this color is going to look on me. You get a decent amount of product. Usually these icy kind of grays and blues look terrible on me, but I have to try this out. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. It's giving unicorn, you guys. That is gorgeous. Okay, I have to try a thing. Wait, I can't see like that. I need my camera. Okay, I might look crazy as hell after this, but this is the last video I'm filming, unless I look tea afterwards. I'm gonna just see. I know this has nothing to do with my eye look. Ooh, okay. I think that's pretty. I think that's kind of cool. Maybe not with this eye look. This eye look is very warm, but if I were to do like a gray, a gray or even a smoky eye, this would be very good for like an inner corner moment. Okay. I see it. I see the vision. All right, let me put my glasses back on so I can see what's going on. And then the last thing in this box is by Charlotte Tilbury. And this is the glow stick. Is it called glow stick? No, beauty wand. My bad. Glow stick must be a completely different brand. This is the beauty wand high blush glowgasm. And this is in the color pink gasm. She has something with like, I don't know what's up with these companies with all this like innuendo packaging names. I don't need all that. This is what it looks like. Okay. I have a few items by Charlotte Tilbury, and I mean, they're okay. They're okay. Nothing too crazy. Now this does have an on and off little twisty thing. And let me do this so you guys can see. It comes out so good. Okay, that was actually really cool. This is what wait, I need to turn it off. Okay, it's off now because this could get really messy if you forget to do that. This is what the color is looking like. Very pretty. I want to see what it looks like when you blend it out. Nobody wears their blush like that. Oh, Jigsaw does. When you blend it out, it's kind of there, but it kind of disappeared too. Let me add a little bit more. Okay, this is definitely not as pigmented as, Rare Beauty. You definitely got to layer it up, especially if you are melanated, okay, because it disappeared. Now I can see it. That's pretty. That's very pretty. I will definitely use this, and it goes with my palette that I have right now. Right now I'm wearing more peachy, orangey kind of tones, as you can see, okay, and I think this is beautiful. This is doing what the Rodial should have done. I'm gonna be honest, I've been using that Rodial blush. Dirty fingers. I've been using that Rodial blush and it's not giving, okay? It's not giving. It's not pigmented enough for me, and I have to layer so much of it that after I put it on, even if I powder down, after I put it on, my face ends up being very greasy in that area. So I'm not a big fan of that Rodial blush. That's gonna have to be for like a no makeup day where I just want the slightest bit of color. Damn near nothing on my face. That was everything in my Allure box. Now let's gag at the prices. Alrighty then. The first thing is this Charlotte Tilbury Beauty. Oh my God. It's one of those titles that has like really long names. Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand oh no, they just repeat it over and over again. It's not that long. Y'all know what this is, okay? Y'all know what this is. It's late, I'm tired. And this is going to run you $42. $42 for this itty bitty little thing. Okay, they got the same thing, Imco Beauty at Kroger for like what, $14? This is insane. That's a crazy price. $42. I'm gagging. I'm 1000% gagging at that price. The next, I'm gagging at this price even harder. Kat Berkey Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. This is going to run you, and it is full size, $80. $80. You're looking at $80 for this itty bitty little thing. This better cure cancer. I'm just saying, it better get rid of all these dark spots, okay? All these dark spots better be gone. By the time I'm through with this, all my dark spots, my credit should be better. My house should be paid off after I use this damn face cream. The next thing is this Half Magic Sparkle Stick, and I had the color Punk Pony, and this will run you $25, okay? $25 for this shadow stick. That's expensive as well. The next thing is a deluxe mini, and for the full size, that's gonna be 250 mil. You're looking at $29, and then we got 75 mil. I'm not doing the math on that. No, ma'am, I'm not doing the math on that. You guys have calculators. The next thing is this Lucetta Biotin and Collagen Hair Mask. This is another deluxe mini, obviously. It's a good deluxe mini too. 500 mil for the full size. That's gonna run you $36. They gave us 100 mil. So $36 divided by 5. Okay, and that's how much this is worth. Let's see. The next thing we got was this mascara. Okay, this mascara. And the full size is going to be $15 for 10 mil. We got 0.06 mil in our box. And finally, we have this little noteworthy Sunlit Grove. This is, ooh, she's expensive. Ooh, she's expensive. Okay, for 100 mil, you're looking at $139. We got 1.5 mil in the box. Now, this is just like a free sample, so I wouldn't even try to calculate that. It is negligible. We also have that Liquid IV, but they didn't give us a value for it. They just gave us this, however much Liquid IV is. If you wanted to buy this off of Amazon and get 16 of these little packets, that's gonna run you about $24. So it's expensive, but not crazy expensive. It's expensive still. I am curious to hear you guys' thoughts down below. Do you think this was worth it? Okay, was this worth the coin? I personally think it was, just based off of these two items. This stuff is expensive. Did you guys get your Allure box? Are you interested in signing up for Allure? If you're curious about it, what's holding you back? Okay, what's holding you back from making the leap to sign up for the Allure box? I'm curious to hear you guys' thoughts down below. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe so that you can become a Faye Bae. And I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.